In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're just starting out with your online store or looking to update your shipping settings, this quick guide will walk you through each step of the process. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. It's important to start here because this is where you'll access all the back-end features that will allow you to manage your online store, including the shipping settings. Once you're there, you'll see the login button. Click on that to begin. Squarespace offers various ways to log in, but for simplicity and ease, we'll use the Continue with Google option. It's a quick way to access your site without having to remember another password. Go ahead and click on your account associated with your Squarespace website. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to select your website from the list of sites associated with your Squarespace account. Click on the specific website for which you want to add or adjust shipping settings. Now it's time to navigate to the back end where all the magic happens. You'll find the Settings option, which is your gateway to customize different aspects of your site. The visuals provided here should help you locate it more easily. Inside Settings, look for the Selling option. This section is dedicated to anything and everything related to selling on your Squarespace site, from payment options to shipping setups. Clicking on Selling will open up a new set of options specific to e-commerce. Now, to the meat of today's guide, click on Shipping. This is where you'll manage how your products make their way to your customers. Whether you're shipping domestically or internationally, Squarespace has a variety of settings to accommodate your needs. Here you'll see an option to Add Shipping option. This is crucial because it allows you to create a customized shipping strategy that fits your business model. Click on this to proceed. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to select weight-based shipping. This option is perfect if your products vary significantly in weight, ensuring that shipping costs are always accurate. Now let's personalize your shipping option. Clicking on the weight-based rate brings you to a setup screen where you're prompted to type in the name of your shipping option. This could be something straightforward like standard shipping or something more branded to your business. Next, it's time to input the costs. Squarespace allows you to set various ranges so the shipping price can adjust according to the total weight of an order. This flexibility ensures that neither you nor your customer pays more or less than necessary for shipping. A crucial step in setting up your shipping is specifying which countries you'll be shipping to. Click Add Country, and you'll be able to select from a comprehensive list of countries. This step is crucial for setting up accurate shipping costs and ensuring your products can be sent to your target market without any hiccups. Finally, after you've defined your shipping option name, set up your costs, and identified the countries you'll be shipping to, it's time to save your settings. Click on Save, and voila, you've successfully added a weight-based shipping option to your Squarespace website. And that's it. You now have a fully functional weight-based shipping option set up on your Squarespace website. This will not only simplify your shipping process, but also ensure your customers know exactly what they're paying for, making for a smoother checkout experience. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace is in its flexibility and ease of use. Feel free to experiment with different shipping options until you find what works best for your business and your customers. It's all about creating the perfect shopping experience, from the moment your customer lands on your page to the moment their purchase arrives at their door. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial on adding shipping to your Squarespace site. Be sure to explore more ways to optimize your online store with Squarespace's robust e-commerce tools. Happy selling!